And I have a couple things that are not in the Campaign 9 brochure. So you may have heard recently, or maybe you haven't, that Avon has added Arctic Fox to the collection, to the lines that we have available for us. They are a very well-known hair care company, and they have fantastic, bright hair colors, and they're vegan, they have clean ingredients, cruelty-free, and they actually support nonprofits and organizations that work to prevent cruelty to animals. They actually make donations from every purchase to those types of organizations. They do have these wonderfully bright hair colors, and I really do love their hair color because it is kind of like a cream hair color. You don't have to mix it with any developers or anything, so it is very, very gentle on your hair, gives you the opportunity to do some fun semi-permanent colors. My only slight little issue with Arctic Fox is they don't have quite the shade of purple that I use. They have a deeper, more vibrant purple that is just beautiful. They have some really pretty pinks and blues. So we have 10 shades of the Arctic Fox hair color that we're going to have available with Avon. And even though I'm not using it myself, my daughter has somewhat lighter hair, so she doesn't have to lighten her hair to color it. Because you do need to either have your hair pre-lightened, or it's, maybe as dark as medium brown to get any, real result. You could use it on darker hair, but it's going to be a very, very subtle result. So you want to keep that in mind. So you don't have the developer or anything that you have to mix it with, but you do want your hair to be pre-lightened for the most vibrant color. So my daughter doesn't pre-lighten her hair. She has medium brown hair, and she used the Arctic Fox to test it out and see how it compares to other bright hair colors that she's used. So if you go over to thoughtsonbeauty.com, there is an Arctic Fox hair color review there with my daughter's observations about the color. She did a gorgeous kind of deep raspberry red color using the shades Wrath and Purple AF. So definitely check that out. But Arctic Fox also makes serums and masks and things for the hair that are especially good for color treated hair. So I really wanted to check those out and try those out. So I tried 2 of them. I have the Pool Party Foaming Mask, and this is actually a pretty versatile mask. You can kind of work it into your routine a few different ways. I've been using it as a pre-shower mask. So I take the foam and I work it through my hair about 10 or 15 minutes before I'm gonna shampoo or condition my hair. And that has been really nice. I'm noticing, it's been a bit smoother and softer. You can use it in place of your conditioner. So after you shampoo, you can use this in place of that, just like you would a conditioner, for a little bit more oomph to your conditioner. You can use it for wet styling, and you can use it to condition dry ends. So if your ends are feeling a little dry, you can use this that way. So it's going to leave dry, brittle hair soft, manageable, and smooth. And it's going to gently repair damaged hair. It's got antioxidants, omegas, and natural oils that are all designed to help repair the hair. So that's the Pool Party Ultra Hydrating Foaming Hair Mask. Which, like I said, is really easy to work into your hair care routine, no matter what you're already doing for your hair. And the other item that I picked up is the Money Honey Repairing Serum. Now, I actually have a repairing serum that I absolutely love. It's our Chi Essentials Repairing Serum. I've been using that for probably coming up on 3 years now that we've had, 2.5 years maybe, since we introduced that collection, and have absolutely loved the way that makes my hair feel and the way it works. This is also a very silky, lightweight formula. The one difference I noticed about this, well, 2 differences I noticed about this versus the Chi Essentials. So the Chi Essentials, if I have a day that I'm not like shampooing and conditioning my hair, I can still add more of the repairing serum without it building up on my hair and making my hair sticky. I feel like maybe I would not be able to do the same with this, that I need to do this only after I have washed or conditioned my hair. But I really do love the way it feels. It's come out very, very soft. The other difference is the Chi Essentials Repairing Serum tends to help encourage my natural curl. This is smoothing out the curls, so I get a more relaxed version of my curl. So not a bad thing, just I'm going to maybe use it. I'm probably going to use both serums. I'm just going to use them on different days. So I'm going to use the Chi Essentials Repairing Serum when I want that kind of just natural, really full body curl that I get normally right out of the shower. And on days that I'm maybe going to go a little bit, maybe on days that I'm going to straighten my hair, or that I'm going to go for just a little bit more wavy look, I'm going to go for this one because it's got those smoothing where it kind of relaxes the curl a little bit and is going to make it easier to straighten my hair. So a bit more about this one. Again, it's a silky, lightweight formula. It's infused with amino acids and oil, so it's going to help repair, smooth, and hydrate hair. And I wanted to list, it's got a ton of different good for your hair ingredients, and I kind of wanted to share what each of those does because I feel like this is kind of going to be a one-size-fits-all repairing serum. It's going to be something that just about everybody is going to see some benefits from this. So they have a Pro Dew 500. That's an Arctic Fox proprietary blend that's in it. And it improves the luster and feel of the hair. And it improves color retention for dyed hair, which was why I was so excited about the Arctic Fox, was because it is specially designed for colored hair. There's also Caravis, which is an ingredient that this is the first time I've heard of, but it has anti-breakage benefits. Argan oil, which I've used before, which is great for hydrating and softening the hair, also works great on the skin. Babassu nut oil, and that's going to be for soothing, protecting, and moisturizing. Arginine, which is also a skincare ingredient, is going to naturally increase the hair's elasticity, so you're going to have less breakage, and it's going to help to restore shine. It's got antioxidant, UV protection, and it's like a free radical neutralizer, so it's really going to protect the hair. And lastly, it's got, actually not last, there's a couple more on the back side of my notes. Avocado oil, which helps to prevent breakage, detangle, and prevent damage. So if you need a detangling serum, this is going to work for that also. Macadamia nut oil, which adds shine, strengthens the hair, nourishes hair follicles, which is good too for the health of your hair, and is great for calming frizz and, calming tangles and dullness. And lastly, jojoba seed oil, which again, also a great ingredient in your skincare, and a key ingredient in the Skin So Soft original bath oils. So if you're a fan of that, now you can get a little bit of that for your hair. And that's going to moisturize your scalp and strengthen your hair and promote the appearance of thick hair. So you're going to get all sorts of good for your hair, good for your scalp ingredients in the repairing serum.